distance information. Give me Memphis, Tennessee. Help me find a party that tried to get in touch with me. She could not leave a number, but I know a place to call. Cause my uncle took the message and he wrote it on the wall. Help me information, get in touch with my Marie. She's the only one who'd call me if I'm Memphis, Tennessee. Her home is on the south side, high up on a ridge, just a half a mile from the Mississippi Bridge.
Let our well fill up to about 80 to 100 pounds of iron and tap into it. When that iron comes out, it's roughly about 2,700 degrees. Inside the furnace is about 3,000.
There's a village smith is standing under the chestnut tree. Hear the hammer knocking, see the anvil rocking. He sings the boogie blues while he's hammering on the shoes. See the hot sparks are flying like 4th of July. He's even got the horses clopping pop down the avenue. Folks love the rhythm, the clang, bang, and rhythm. You get a lot of kicks out of the blacksmith.
And like an oval for crafts or for our field, an oval is either a cameo or it's a tabletop or it's a mirror. You know, there's all these different ways that the oval operates as it gets scaled up or down and as it gets contextualized horizontally or vertically. And so I think a lot about these things, but when it's this big, when it's copper, it tends to be a shaker box, you know, and for me it was deliberate to take like that kind of a humble form and also context in a way, and then just simply think about like hitting it with an axe and pulling it the form apart, making that very obvious and evident, but also potentially enigmatic about like, are these functional? Does this become a handle? Is this a serving surface?
Down in old Kentucky, where horseshoes are lucky, there's the village smith is standing under.
And you can ask them questions about actually performing the art and creating it and all the little tiny details that make it better.
He's even got the horses popping pop down the avenue. Folks love the.
They're also able to network and show students what they can do beyond the realm of their classrooms.
Aside from the immense influence that Professor Schroeder has on me as a student, I think this event is going to have a dramatic impact on my future work as a professional.
school, ring the bell, brand new shoes, walking blues, climb the fence, books and pens. I can tell that we are gonna be friends. I can tell that we are gonna be friends. Walk with me, Susie Lee, through the park and by the tree. We will rest upon the ground and look at all the bugs we found. Safely walk to school without a sound. Safely walk to school without a sound. Here we are, no one else. We walk to school all by ourselves. There's dirt on our uniforms from chasing all the ants and worms. We clean up and now it's time to learn. We clean up and now it's time to learn. Numbers, letters, learn to spell, nouns and books and show and tell. Playtime we will throw the ball, back to class, through the hall. Teacher marks I'll hide against the wall. Teacher marks I'll hide against the wall. We don't notice any time pass. We don't notice anything. We sit side by side in every class. Teacher thinks that I sound funny, but she likes the way you sing. Tonight I'll dream while I'm in bed, when silly thoughts go through my head about the bugs and alphabet. And when I wake tomorrow I'll bet that you and I will walk together again. I can tell that we are gonna be friends. Yes, I can tell that we are gonna be friends.